On today's video, I'll be swapping out the Jeep Wrangler YJ stock Pitman arm for this Jeep Cherokee XJ Pitman arm. I don't exactly have to do this swap with just a 2.5 inch suspension lift, but since I already have the part and it was free, why not do it? As you can see, this is going to give me about an inch of drop, so that'll get the steering a little bit closer to stock. I used the tie rod remover to remove the drag link from the Pitman arm. Now I've got to use the impact wrench and a 33mm socket to remove the nut holding the Pitman arm onto the steering box. And the Pitman arm is now removed. I'll show you the difference between the two Pitman arms real quick. As you can see, there is quite a bit of difference in drop from the stock YJ Pitman arm and the stock XJ Pitman arm. It's finished. The drop Pitman arm is installed. Well, factory XJ Cherokee Pitman arm. That went pretty smoothly. Now to move on to the next project. Thanks for watching.